The Vertical Earth Kilometer is a permanent art installation created by Walter de Maria in Friedrichsplatz Park in front of the Fridericianum in Kassel, Germany. The Vertical Earth Kilometer is a solid brass rod, 1 kilometer in length and 2 inches in diameter. It is inserted into the earth so that its top is flush to the ground and embedded in a 2 by 2 meter red sandstone square. Installed in 1977 during Documenta 6, it has been on permanent view ever since. The Vertical Earth Kilometer is maintained by the Dia Art Foundation as one of the 11 locations and sites they manage. De Maria's 1979 artwork The Broken Kilometer in New York City is a companion piece to the Vertical Earth Kilometer. The Vertical Earth Kilometer is an 18-ton round solid brass rod. It is 5 centimeters in diameter and 1 kilometer long. The rod is inserted into the earth so that a 5 centimeter white end sits flush with the surface of the earth and is embedded in the center of a 2 by 2 meter square red sandstone plate. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.